In a world where silence speaks louder than words, an unlikely bond defies the laws of nature. A mighty elephant, burdened by a past no one remembers. A tiny bird, singing a song only he understands. In the heart of the wild, their friendship becomes a legend, one of trust, loss, and destiny. But when the darkness of the past resurfaces, will their connection be enough to change fate? Dive into a story where mystery meets magic, where love is found in the most unexpected places. Subscribe now to Whispering Echoes for more unforgettable tales.
Whispering Echoes.